Hey, Danny here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is basically what's new. And I'm going to go back over the YouTube Partner Program overview. Basically the results of yesterday's email that came out to all creators saying that you may not meet the criteria to stay in the YouTube Partner Program overview. Now you can find that out if you go to YouTube, but if you're not a person that's in the YouTube Partner Program currently, this is the information that's just come out. Let's see. The easiest way to do it is the eligibility. I'm just going to go to frequently asked questions right now. Do I need 1,000 subscribers or 4K watch hours in the past 12 months or both? You need both. If your channel has fewer than 1,000 subscribers or fewer than 400 watch hours, then it doesn't meet both requirements and will be removed on February 20th, 2018. The new requirements for a channel to have 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months has to be ongoing and 1,000 subscribers total before it will be reviewed to join the program. If your channel drops below 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months, ads won't run on your video. Note that in cases of temporary drops, say your channel drops to 99 subscribers for a day and then returns to over 1,000, the channel won't be removed from the program. Let's see, is the watch time requirement 4K watch total hours? Say, in addition to the 1,000 subscribers, the channel needs to have 1,000 watch hours in the past 12 months to qualify. The YouTube Analytics watch time report defaults showing watch hours in minutes. So make sure to change your views so that it shows watch time hours in the graph. Click compare metric drop down menu, so it's okay. Will I lose access to creator features if I do not meet the requirements? And let's see. It says, okay, channel currently needs to be in the YouTube Partner Program in order to access certain features. Here's how access may change based on the new YouTube Partner Program. You do not currently need to be in the program to use the following features. So this list is not exhaustive. Cards. All creators can use the cards, which means linking to external websites from the cards. That is currently available to those members. Eligible requirements are updated on February 20th. Channels that currently have access to these features will continue to have access to them even if there's no longer in it. Okay, that's cool. Let's see. Creator Studio. You don't need to be part of it to use the Creator Studio. Custom URL. You don't need to be part of it to use your URL outside URLs. Custom thumbnails. You don't need to be part of it. End screens. All creators can use end screens. However, linking to external websites from end screens is a feature that's currently part of that system. For me, the end screens, I don't use them to send people outside. I just use them to send them on to my next video. That's what the square recommended, should I say, recommended video that pops up in the video. So that's part of the end screen. I don't even use that. Live streaming, you don't need to be part of it. Scheduling uploads, you don't need to be part of it. And YouTube analytics, you don't need to be part of it. So that's great. Basically, you just can't monetize your videos until you meet the 4,000 and the 1,000 requirement. So that's good to know. Let's see, does monetization status affect search results? Monetization is not used to inform how many videos displayed on YouTube. If your channel is no longer in the partner program, it does not mean your videos will be limited to search and discovery. That's good to know. Okay, if your participation is suspended. Okay, if it is determined that your channel is no longer eligible for monetization, your channel will lose access to all monetization tools and features associated with the partner program. More about this. You can keep uploading original content and building your audience on YouTube, even if you're not in the partner program. You can reapply to the program 30 days after the suspension. So that means if you get your, right now I meet the viewing status, the viewing minutes, but I don't meet the subscriber status. So you can reapply to the program 30 days after the suspension. So if you're suspended, so if I get suspended on the 20th of February and I work and work and work and work and get my total of 1,000 subscribers by the 20th of March, then I can go ahead and reapply. And then I think that takes 30 days. And then once you start working again, once you start monetizing again, then now you've gone 30 days, but you still have to reach their $100 minimum payout threshold. So if you don't make the $100 that month, then you got to go a whole nother month and make up the total of $100 before they will pay out. So you could make $99.99. You're not going to get paid that month. It's going to carry over into the next month when you make that penny. But you still have to go a whole nother month. So you could get paid, it could take you right up to the 100 payoff for that next month. And you still have to wait another 30 days beyond that to the next 20th to get paid for those last 2 months. So you can go 90 days and not get paid. So this could be, this could be a domino effect. If you're like me, you don't get your subscribers by the 20th of next month. So you could go almost 6 months and not see any income. So that's the other stumbling block there. So there you go. February 20th, you're going to get paid for January, and then you're going to have made up to February 20th, and you're going to get paid that in March, on March 20th. But if you didn't qualify February 20th, you're not going to get any income all of March until you get your, it could be March, April, May, until you get your 200, in my case, 98 subscribers to make my 1,000. And then that month, the minute I get my subscribers, I can go ahead and apply. And then depending on how long it takes them to approve me, if they approve me, you know, that could be a bite right there. And then if I'm gonna say if they approve me, now I gotta go that from that whatever that start date of approval, I gotta go that whole month of monetized, hoping that I make the $100 threshold, and then I gotta wait 30 days to the following 20th to get that money from that following month, and then I'm back on. Then you're back on track again. But you know, you got some hurdles to do to restart this whole evolution. So it's not going to be fun. Okay, so maybe I'm back up again. I had to download what I already made. So if you're currently part of the YouTube program, if your channel reaches the new threshold by February 20th, you will automatically stay in the program. The how to apply, let's see. You can follow the 4 steps to join the partner program from your account in the Creator Studio. Once your channel reaches the program threshold, your channel actively will be reviewed. Let's see. This is the other thing. Once your channel reaches the threshold, your channel activity is reviewed to make sure your content adheres to the partner program policies, terms, services, tube spam policies, and community guidelines. So if you've already been doing this and you've got no hits within the community guidelines, you should be all right. We'll email you, let you know as soon as the process is complete. You can also check the status of your Creator Studio channel monetization, which means it'll probably automatically pop back up saying you can monetize. And the process may take up to several weeks after you've already got it. So if you're approved, you'll start earning money on YouTube right away if you've already chosen the video you want to monetize. If you're not approved, if your channel isn't approved to join the program, it is likely because we cannot determine whether your channel activity complies with the YouTube partner program. You can keep uploading original content and building your audience on YouTube even if you are not in the partner program, and you can reapply again in 30 days. So stay tuned. We'll see where I wind up in this thing after February 20th. So if you like this content and you're catching it as you're going, don't forget to push on the DC, and that will help you subscribe to my channel. And I thank you very much. We'll catch you on the next. We'll just leave it as Dana Crosby's vlogs.